show and tell of my first The Cheesecake Factory to-go bag. So growing up, I did eat at the Cheesecake Factory with my family on an occasion. However, we did not get any to-go bags. And so, today is Sunday 1 February 2026, and I'm going to show and tell about my first ever The Cheesecake Factory to-go bag. And so here I, Tanis Coralee of Seattle, show my first to-go bag I received from the Cheesecake Factory, which was for a slice of Godiva Chocolate Cheesecake on Wednesday, 23 July 2025. It was part of my Weekend Wednesdays, which is a Wednesday I treat like a weekend day, like potentially this coming Wednesday. I potentially have a date with Mr. Timothy Chalamet at the Cheesecake Factory. Virtual form. A follow-up date. Anyway, so here's the bag. I kept it. I did decide to keep it. I also have the fork. The fork is not stored with the bag. And this is my first to-go bag. So it was for a slice of Godiva Chocolate Cheesecake, and it felt very cool. I got the bag. There was napkins and a fork, and I very much enjoyed my slice of cheesecake. It was very good. I still think about it. Yes, and it was the Godiva Chocolate Cheesecake is a solid. So I like plain things. I also I do like some of they have like layered cheesecakes as well, and there are some very good ones of those. However, I do really like plain things a lot. And the Godiva Chocolate Cheesecake is a solid cheesecake of Godiva Chocolate Cheesecake, so it's not layered. It hit me like a wedge of 1,400 calories of Godiva Chocolate Cheesecake, like it should. It was so good. And I kept the bag, and I did go solo. I went alone, and so there we go. I still have it, and I keep it stored in my room of present. And for those of you who say, prove it that I have intent to go on a virtual date this coming Wednesday, a Weekend Wednesday, shall we go to my calendar? It's written in pen. Second date with Timothy Chalamet. There you go. I forgot to update the calendar for the first video today, so that's all.